Ekiganiro eki cyetabirwemo abantu batari bamwe na bamwe nk'abanyamakuru, abazana ba firimu, abarukura ebitongore hamwe n'abanyaby'obutegetsi, kandi abantu bagira ngo ebiragire bimwe ebirukora bahamwe kutu nibahabwa abantu nahabwa ekyo nibetenga okukuratira amateeka.
That is section 33 that tells us that no person shall advertise drugs for treatment or prevention of a disease under the 5th schedule, which I will tell you, for purpose of termination or influencing the course of pregnancy.
And you must actually provide it. There's no negotiation about it. 1 hour should be provided. But sit down with these people and come to a compromise on what is important. Because even 1 hour is not enough for government.
Must be classified. If we could do that, then some of what you're saying, finding inappropriate content there, would be. But we are closing it because UCC has now made the directive to renew your license for the year. The broadcaster, you must show that your work is classified.
Bamwe borekera okukwatwaho ahabwa abajekerwa ba purezidenti nguno babaharahaza mu bwire bw'akaruru bitu ba RDC bo nibagira ngo nababa nibakora umurimo gwabo
konka kikabire cyonje kandi waharasinga omuntu kandi yabatahenzire kiragiro cyebe kugira ngo omuntu akore ningashi akore campaign uko biragiro biri kugamba yabatahenzire kiragiro kikire kugira ngo harasinge urukozesa amani. Omugandi abavuji ba pichipichi mpango aba Uganda Bikers na nabebembezi ba Mbarara City Council erizo babayonjo rembo Mbarara omuhuru yo kurwana soborofa. Abantu bagira ngo ehurezi neza kwetorora indembo zo no mwihanga kandi bagitandikira harika ko ba division mpako mu bus park Kisenyi hamwe na no mu Kijungu.
Ile campaign bageta yonja promotinga obuyonjo city za Uganda twenda ngo buri mahari ayonje wene Uganda Bikers yakwasire na Iroquois na service corps na school fair na Uganda Bikers jaha Mbarara
kwa shangambara ebonire erkin ongako kushumanya obrofa generating obrofa every time, every hour, every minute. So there is a need yogument cleaning abodashika yona.
Ase abireba Mbarara City Clerk nagira ngo bacine kizubu cy'abantu abaruko nagakasasero mu mafurije y'amizi icyo rukongera uburofu mu Rurembo Mbarara.
Icyo kituru gukora kugira ngo tugira ngo tujye mu cleaninga pasi kandi tuwereka abantu ubuzunanizo bwo cleaninga n'uburanzi bwa bwitu ukabana kandi icyo turi gukorera kugira ngo umuntu nubwo akubana atambura wareba akavera utakasiga
icyo kitwegese kumanura nyonja etawuni yito kumerye nyonjo ebe tukureberaho mu mataho n'agani abo kwambara yitu atari yamukindo kwa hiku erigiro mu idara yazo muri riyakera municipality ati Mbarara City.
Aba Uganda Bikers nibagira ngo baza kwetorora ihanga ryona obwe barukuyonje tawuni hamwe no kwegesa abantu okubashemerire kurwana soborofa. Ahabwa TV West and Elias Gusa na Anita Atkunda.